Do I get a discount if
Ordering in bulk? Yes, you do, sir. But I need it in American tons.
Okay. See, the problem I'm having is I need it in metric cubits. Can you just send me a sample pack?
Sample pack to American pounds.
Okay, what about imperial pounds?
And you can put it in the mail, or you can come back and get it. For now, I know, so
Awesome, dude.
I get disappointed when things don't work out the way they should.
Of
But
course.
what are you gonna do?
Right? In the true story of Snow White, it was not a poison apple that put her into her heroin coma. It was a poison bag of Cheetos. Today's episode of Drone Alone is brought to you by shea butter. It's extra raw for an extra great time. Proper way to cook a bratwurst is to put it on to cook in the pan and then walk away for a unsaid amount of time. And no perfect bratwurst is complete without condiments. Like some mustard. And some Q-chip. Delish. Then, plastic knife for easy handling. Get away, I want to get away, I want to get away. Damn. Arm yourself with a grenade. Hi miss, how are you doing today? Boom, baby. It's the best way to pick up ladies. So very high into the sky, just like a butterfly. That sucks. And there's no way expected. I think Lenny's gay. I think Lenny's gay. Wearing a shirt is also not optional because you want to make sure you get as much grease splatter on your chest hair as possible for maximum bratwurst sexybility. Naked and afraid. My two favorite pastimes. Particle man. Is he a dot or is he a speck? He's underwater. Does he get wet? Or does the water get him instead? Nobody knows. Particle man. That sucks. Lenny Kravitz sucks. I think Lenny is gay. Yeah, yeah. I think Lenny's gay. I think Lenny's gay. I think Lenny's gay. I think Lenny's gay.